This chapter is about grouping. When you want to control several units at the same time, you can use grouping. In the HADA DSP Manager menu, get into Tools menu and choose New Group. Name the group in this window. In our case will be Test. A group will be created. Click on the Tool button to configure it. In a window you can select which devices will belong to this group or not. On the left side you have the list of devices that can be added. And you move the ones to be grouped to the right side. Once you have selected them, we click OK. Here we have added 3 devices. This slide is shown how the faders of the tree devices, they all look the same after grouping them.